guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a perfect, easy bow tutorial that is perfect for the upcoming holidays. It's perfect for decorating, for gift wrapping, for crafts, all kinds of fun things. So here we go. It's going to be a simple 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, and I am using some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. You'll want to use ribbon with wire, and I picked up this ribbon. It's My Texas House at Walmart for $7.98 a roll, and it's 18 feet. And you're also going to need some scissors, some floral wire, and I like 20 gauge, and a zip tie. First, you're going to want to take your ribbon and let out a long tail, about 10 or 12 inches or so, depending on what you're going to be using this bow for. Make a loop. So I let out, if you want to measure it, let out 10 inches, then fold it in half, and that would make a 5-inch loop. So 5-inch loops for this bow, and this is the perfect size, like for adding to a wreath or a garland, like if you decorate your staircases. Then we're going to the other side, keep it pinched in your hand, go the other side, make another 5-inch loop. Check to make sure your loops are the same size on each side. Let out some more ribbon. Make a loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your hand. Just fold it and hold it in your hand nice and tight. Check to make sure your loops are the same size on each side. Just take your time. The key to making pretty bows is getting your loops the same size. Go back to the other side. Make another loop. Try to make it the same size as the other ones. Keep it pinched nice and tight in your hand. This is just very simple. 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right. Let out about a 10 or 12-inch tail. Then next I'm going to take a zip tie. Wrap that zip tie nice and tight around the center of your bow, or you could just twist the floral wire around the center of your bow right now if you wanted to. I would recommend using a smaller zip tie than I used here. I probably should have used a 4-inch zip tie. Now I'm going to dovetail or fishtail the ends. Fold your end in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, or you can just cut them at a slant. So fold the end in half with the edges to the left. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold. There's your pretty V. Then I'm going to cut off the extra part of the zip tie. And now I'm going to take my 20 gauge floral wire and I'm going to thread it underneath the zip tie on the back side. That way I can easily attach this bow to my garland or my Christmas tree or whatever project you're working on. So thread the wire under the zip tie, then give the wire a little twist. Then we're ready to fluff and shape our bow. I like to stick my hand in each loop and open it up. Now you'll want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up. It just holds its shape better and it's easier to work with, and good quality ribbon does help. And this from Walmart, My Texas House, this velvet or velour like ribbon does seem like pretty good quality ribbon, especially for $7.98 a roll. So here's how it looks, but I'm going to do one extra step. You can stop right here if you would like. I did have to go back and cut one of the tails a little bit shorter because it was just a little bit too long. Right now, a lot of people are decorating their homes for Christmas, and I can just see how pretty this bow would look on top of a garland on the end of a staircase. If you want to take this bow one more step further, then you can cut about a 2.5 or 3-inch strip of ribbon. Take your strip of ribbon, and I like to do mine the same color as the bow, fold it in half. Then we're just going to wrap it around the center of the bow. Make sure you get your center nice and smooth. Then we're going to go to the back and just hot glue this little strip of ribbon on. Just be very careful when you use your hot glue. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks, and I have mine on the low temp setting. So just hot glue the end on. Hold it for a little bit, be very careful, let it have time to dry, then glue the other side down, make sure you get it nice and tight, and then you're ready to hang up your beautiful bow on whatever craft project or decoration or gift you're working on. wasn't that simple, guys. You'll have to let me know in the comment section if you like this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.